We all want these luxury Aeropods made from recycled planes. Have you ever thought what's done to old passenger planes when they're no longer used? Their parts are recycled mostly to form parts of new planes. But one company is using them for something really exciting, making luxury garden pods from them. These pods can be used as luxury sheds, garden rooms, or even relaxation areas by the pool. David Palmer, age 52 years old, and Emily, his 23-year-old daughter, came up with this brilliant idea and created the company Dapper Aviation when they were thinking what could be done with planes which are no longer in use. David said, "Buying a plane was a risky decision initially, but what we achieved at the end really made it worthwhile." One pod is constructed in approximately 8 weeks.